Yo, so you are welcome back to my channel once again. So in this video, I want to share an update with you that you can get 50K free funded account. It's just a simple task to perform in order to win this account. Remember, this account is a simulated capital. It's not a real fund. All pro firms deal with simulated environments. So take note of that. So if you have been searching online on how to get a free funded account no deposit bonus, this is your best channel to subscribe to. I drop updates every single day. So if particular one has not fit your style that you want, just stick to this channel and keep on reviewing all my updates every single day. One day, one will fit your trading style and you engage with that. But I recommend you do your own investigation on any updates you watch on my channel right here, including this one. So let's get started. If you haven't joined my Telegram channel yet, you have to join my Telegram channel. We do a whole lot on my Telegram channel. So every update, signals, and the Forex tutorial has been shared on that particular platform. Okay. So this is the Telegram channel. I share updates that even I don't have time to do video on them. I share all your signals, every single thing, and we used to win accounts and things right here. I used to do giveaway and everything that you need. So to join this Telegram channel, the link is under the video description. Just go there and join. Okay, if you have been looking for signal, everything that you need, you will access it here. And this is where you have to chat me directly to if you need something to ask me as well. Just chat me directly from here and then we'll talk about it. Okay. So with that being said, let's go straight and uh start seeing what exactly you need to do in order to win the 50K account. Remember, they are going to select randomly. So 6 people are going to be selected from this update. So here I take you to my Discord server right here. This is QT funded or Quantacle funded. They are giving this account for free. So you can see the update was made on the 1st of January right here. So week one done, market set the tone for 2026. So you can come and read all this. I'll include this link, this post link in my Telegram channel. That is why I share every link. So make sure you join and then have access to the link. So this is where I want you to pay attention to. So let me show you that exactly. Sorry for that. Uh, the scrolling is too fast. Okay. So sorry for that. I want to get the exact place where good. So you can see 65K giveaway, 650K Contact Ultra account is going to be win. Okay, so we just hit 65 followers on Instagram. So 6 traders will be winning 50K QT Ultra account. QT Ultra lets you earn 15% of your challenge profit from day one. Okay, you can win what 15% of your challenge profit from day one before you have passed anything. Okay, this is very nice opportunity. Okay, if you are able to be selected to win this account, you can even get 50% of your profit before you pass even the challenge. So to enter, just share the competition image on X, okay, Instagram or TikTok. Okay, after that, email proof, mail approve to competition@contactcall.com. Competition closed Sunday, 18th of January. So it's left with about 1 week more after recording this video. See, if you're watching this video after 18th of January, know that this opportunity has ended. Okay, don't want to wait 15% of the ultras for 7 days. Code is ultra 15. Okay, if you want to get 15% off that, you can do this. Okay, so this week offer 40% off contact accounts. Everything is here for you to come and read about. This is the discount code that they included right here. When you read yourself. That is why you understand more. Okay, this opportunity is open for every single person, so just come and join this opportunity now. This is what I have for you guys today. So hope tomorrow you'll be with me to hear another update from me. I drop updates onto the channel every single day, so yours is to just wait till you find your one that fits your trading style. Goodbye.